Good morning to one and all. Welcome to our Blackboard Education channel. In this session, we will discuss about class 10th, chapter 3, acid, bases and salt, part 5, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. The reaction of an acid with the base to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. Let us see the activity related to this neutralization reaction. So aim of the experiment is a reaction between acid and base. Material required: dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, phenolphthalein indicator and test tube. Procedure: take 2 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution in a test tube and add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator. It turns into pink. Now add dilute hydrochloric acid solution to the above solution drop by drop. Color of the solution change after adding the HCl solution. Now add few drops of sodium hydroxide to the above mixture. The pink color reappears. Just observe here the reaction. Test tube in that sodium hydroxide has taken, and when phenolphthalein is added, so it turn into pink color. Now we are adding drop by drop this HCl so that it loses its color. Means here when base is added to the acid, it gives us salt and water. So here pink color disappears on adding HCl because sodium hydroxide is completely react with the HCl. The effect of base is nullified by an acid. Pink color reappears on adding a drop of sodium hydroxide because the solution become basic once again. So here balanced chemical equation we can write like this: NaOH sodium hydroxide plus HCl hydrochloric acid give rise to NaCl sodium chloride plus water. So in this way we can define the neutralization reaction as the reaction of acid with the base to give salt and water is known as a neutralization reaction. Precautions: add HCl to NaOH solution drop by drop. Now let us prepare sodium hydroxide, dilute sodium hydroxide solution and dilute HCl. For that, first we need to take water. So I am taking water in both the test tubes. So in first test tube I am adding sodium hydroxide for dilute HCl. Dilute sodium hydroxide I am preparing now. I will take a small quantity of dilute HCl and sodium hydroxide. First I am taking sodium hydroxide here. So here I have added sodium hydroxide. So this is sodium hydroxide solution. Now let us add hydrochloric acid to dilute. So here I am taking hydrochloric acid and I am adding to the water. You should not add direct acid to the water. See, a few drops of acid only we need to take to dilute. We have to add acid to the water only because it is exothermic reaction. That's why we have added a few drops of acid into the water, so that we got now two dilute solutions. So here now I am taking phenolphthalein indicator. Let us add a few drops, a drop of phenolphthalein indicator here. Now see the color. See the color of phenolphthalein indicator here. Just observe its color. What is its color? It is pink color. Yes. So now I will take a dilute acid. Let us add dilute acid to the drop by drop. Just observe the color of sodium hydroxide. What is happening here? The color is reducing, no? The intensity of the color is reducing. Now observe this. What happened to this? Now it is turning into colorless. Is it right? Now see here. What happened to this? So I am adding acid here so that slowly it loses its color. See here, it is completely turned into white, right? So why this has happened? Because here sodium hydroxide reacted with hydrochloric acid so that it lost its color. Now let us add 1 or 2 drops of sodium hydroxide. Now let us see what happened. Just observe it. What happened now? Again it retained its pink color. See, again it got pink color. While adding acid to the base, means here HCl is added to the sodium hydroxide drop by drop, so it lost its color, it becomes colorless. Then when we add sodium hydroxide few drops to again, it retains its color. So that means because of reaction between sodium hydroxide and HCl, it is reacted to give us neutral substance. And when we added a few drops of sodium hydroxide, so it turned into again basic solution. That's why it shows a pink color. In next session, we will discuss about reaction of acid with metals oxide and reaction of base with non-metal oxide. So observe the neutralization reaction in our day-to-day life also, and till then, thank you. Have a nice day.